What if I told you something amazing? That some of the most powerful stories ever told are not from movies, not from legends, not from history books, but from the Holy Qur'an itself. These are not just old tales. They are real stories. Stories filled with courage, faith, struggle, and divine wisdom. From Habil and Qabil's test of brotherhood to Dhul-Qarnayn's journey of justice, each story carries a message that can change the way we see life today. So stay with me, because what you are about to hear might just open your heart and your mind in a whole new way. 1. Habil and Qabil. True faith is not about jealousy, but about purity of heart and doing what is right, even when it is hard. 2. Herat and Merat. Temptation can destroy wisdom when we forget our limits and lose control over our desires. 3. The town that brought Allah's wrath upon itself. When people turn away from truth and justice, their own arrogance leads them to destruction. 4. The heifer. Obedience to divine commands brings peace, while doubt and delay only bring confusion. 5. Prophet Moses and Al-Qaeda. Patience and trust in divine wisdom reveal truths that our limited vision cannot see. 6. Karan Korah. Pride in wealth and power blinds the heart and leads to a fall, no matter how high we rise. 7. Bilqis, Queen of Sheba. True leadership comes from humility and recognizing the light of truth when it appears. 8. Saba. A nation that forgets gratitude for its blessings loses the very peace it once enjoyed. 9. Uzair. Faith is stronger than time, and God can bring life to what the world thinks is lost. 10. Dhul-Qarnayn. Real power is using strength to build justice and protect the weak from oppression. 11. Gog and Magog. Unchecked chaos and corruption remind us that every society needs moral boundaries. 12. People of the cave. Standing for truth requires courage, even when the whole world turns against you. 13. The believer and the disbeliever. Faith gives life purpose, while arrogance and denial leave the heart empty. 14. People of the garden. Greed blinds us to gratitude, and only generosity keeps blessings alive. 15. Sabbath breakers. Those who twist divine laws for their own gain only deceive themselves in the end. 16. People of the ditch. True believers stand firm even in pain, proving that faith is stronger than fear. 17. Baz Isa the worshipper. Worship without humility becomes pride, and pride opens the door to downfall. 18. The owners of the elephant. No army, no plan, no power can overcome divine protection when God decides otherwise. Every story in the Quran carries a message, not just for one nation, not just for one time, but for all of humanity. These stories remind us that no matter who we are or where we come from, faith, patience, and truth always lead the way. If these timeless Quranic stories touched your heart, then like this video, share it with someone who needs inspiration, and subscribe for more divine wisdom that still speaks to our modern world.